Hi friends, welcome back to Travelvasi. This time we are going to see about the Benelli Konkan ride. It was on 5 days trip, starts from Bangalore via Udupi, Gokarna, Goa and return back to Bangalore. In this video, we are going to see the day one that is from Bangalore to Udupi. Let's move on to the video how the ride was. This was our backup vehicle where you can keep your luggages and other stuffs.
We'll start with the introduction first. For my introduction, I will give first. My name is Ganesh. I'm from Benelli. I'm going to be the lead rider for you for the entire trip.
Sham from Benelli, Whitefield.
Raghavendra from Hyderabad.
Sushant from Bangalore.
Nitin from Bangalore.
Steve from Mysore.
Srinivas from Hyderabad.
Sharath from
Ignatius from Kochi.
John Paul from TCO.
Mahinda from Hyderabad. Parthipan from Chennai.
Aglan from Sivagasi.
Anil from Kerala.
Midun from Kochi.
Babin from Kanyakumari.
Deepak from Benelli Service.
Satish from Bangalore.
Satish from Bangalore.
Guys, we are starting in 10-15 minutes after the briefing. We will first stop at the fuel pump, which is right ahead of us there. Right? Anyone left with fuel filling, or everyone has filled the fuel? No?
No, I have to fill
we'll
the-
stop there. Make sure you fill the fuel full tank. Okay, not like 500 rupees then, because we are not stopping for fuel again before Hassan. Okay?
How much? 400.
No.
200.
188. Okay? So Hassan, we will stop for lunch. Okay? In between, we will take 3 stops. Okay? First stop will be once we enter the Mangalore highway, and that time we will cross city, Bangalore city. We'll enter the highway. There we'll stop for 10 minutes, and between that place and Hassan, we'll take 2 more stops, which is of 10-15 minutes. Right? From here till the starting from the starting point of highway, we will have traffic. Okay, we'll make single file, follow all the rules, do not overtake from left. Okay, wait for my hand signals. If you get confused, don't miss out from the file. And as I mentioned in the group, whatever the file position is, except those Coimbatore and Mysore guys, you know how the file is. You know each and every one now, right? So make the file. Don't break the file till we come back to Bangalore. I want you to maintain same file. No overtaking. Okay? Everyone will wear the riding gears till every time we are on the road. Not zip open, okay? Not on t-shirts, right? We are going to wear all the riding gears from starting to end. Only in Goa there will be relaxation while we are sightseeing in Goa. Rest all on the highways, no taking out your riding gears. Right? So in the city we will maintain single file. Once we enter highway, we'll maintain 2 file. Make sure the distance between your front and back bike is of 10 to 15 feet, so that once you brake, there is enough time so that there is no collision or crash. Okay? Anything happens to your bike, let's say service related, please come out of the file, wait for the tempo to come there. Our service guys will rectify the bike, then you can join back. Okay? Okay, the file will not stop anywhere. Right? There might be little drizzle once we cross Hassan. I'm expecting that, as the weather forecast says. So I hope you have your rain gears ready with you. If not, you are going to get wet. And I don't want to get wet and get sick during the ride. Correct? So you know the hand signals, single file. I will not say this time. Can somebody take voluntarily, and what are the hand signals? What is this?
Single file.
Single file.
This is
Double file.
okay. This is
Left turn.
Left signal.
left signal, left turn. This is
Right.
Right turn.
right. This is okay. This is
Stop.
clear. These are the basic signals. Fine. Right? Ha. Hazards. Either I will point with my finger, or I will point with thumb. And all the file after me, they will have to give the signals to the rest of the file. It's not that I'm only giving and the last guy not able to see my hand signals, and he is not don't know what is there on the road, right? So everyone will follow the hand signals. Clear?
This is how we park our bikes for break and wait for every bikes to arrive and maintain our file. Light drizzle fell all afternoon, but we enjoyed the drizzle and continued our ride. Fogs, trees, drizzle, waterfalls gives an best feel while riding. Finally, we reached the hotel around 9 pm. They gave us a warm welcome. We stayed here for this night and it was good. Let's see about the second day ride in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.